Now here's a year and model we don't see come through very often. Let's check this one out. 1964 Ford Country Sedan Wagon. 390 V8 power underneath the hood. And that has an Edelbrock intake as well as heads on it. Also a Phytech EFI system. So some nice modifications done to this, and we're going to get into some more in just a bit here. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this, from the bumper to the grille, headlight surrounds, some custom pinstriping. Now on the grille, you're going to notice the Galaxy insignia. For you Ford experts out there, I believe this was based off the Galaxy model, considered the country sedan, shared bright work trim with the Galaxy. Like I said, if you're the Ford expert on these wagons, go ahead and make a comment down below in the comment section if you're watching this on YouTube. You can also click on the link down below there in the comment section, and that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pics. And you can also call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on American Racing, 5-spoke wheels, wide white wall radials. Great look on this car. Of course, the two-tone blue and white paint. This was an original Y paint code, so skylight blue. It's also on air ride. So this does have adjustable air ride by Easy Street. Let's take a look down this passenger side. And at the end of the video, I'm going to lower it down too so you can get an idea of the lowered stance on it. I put it at kind of a driving stance right now, but you can adjust it depending on passengers, how you want it to ride out. Be a cool car for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. You can see side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage or darkness of window tint that you can have. You can see these panels nice and straight. Not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice just a small bubble area down here in the bottom of that door. Blue and white vinyl interior, luggage rack, just a cool look. Power rear window, and that is working. Power switch is on the lower left side of the dash, a little more pinstriping. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper, also nice shape. Dual exhaust. Some notes from the technician that looked at this. It does have a new starter. Heater blows hot. Brakes are like new. 4 new wheel cylinders. Powertrain has your typical seeps from a car that's driven. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, you can see how straight these panels are and really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Notice there's just a couple. I don't know if I can even get them to show up in this door in the white. I'd have to have the camera just like that right there. Again, this being awful fussy. There's another one in front that I can't find back now. But again, it's being awful fussy. This car shows well. Let's take a look at the seating surfaces in this. Like I said, blue and white vinyl. Look at all the room back here. You want to take friends, family, kids with you to the car shows. Plenty of room. Want to bring lawn chairs, picnic table, picnic basket, cooler, a couple bicycles. It'll all fit in the back of this one. Headliner looking good. Does that door close? Sounds good. If you like wagons, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. No rips, tears, holes in the vinyl seating surface. This is a removable armrest with cup holder. If you wanted to have seating up there, that would come out. This one starts in neutral. Oil pressure gauge underneath the dash, as you can see. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo system. Let's go ahead and fire this up. That 390 has always popped right off in this one too. All right. This is the switch for that rear window, power window up and down in the gate. Oil pressure coming up, as you can see. Here's that easy street control unit for the air ride. All four corners. There is an air compressor and tank on board. Pioneer stereo system, and yes, that is working. Pretty nice sounding stereo unit too. Top of the dash looks good. Nice low idle. This thing sounds good. Slip around to the back. Listen to this. How fun would this car be? Like I said, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Sounds good, looks good, and you just don't see them all the time. All right, let me pause this a second. I'm gonna pop the hood. We're gonna take a peek underneath there. Don't forget, Jason's gonna take it for a drive. Stick around the very end for that, and I'm also gonna show you lower down the stance of that. There you get a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. All right, so again, 390 Edelbrock intake, manifold, and head, Vitec EFI system. Like I said, the thing just pops off the minute you turn the key. Aluminum radiator, power steering, headers, sounds like a mild cam. What a great sounding car. Let's go ahead and get this lowered so you can check out that stance. And here it is with the air ride lowered. Laying in the weeds, as they say. So if you wanted to present it like this at a car show, give it a little bit different look. Pretty cool. And the technician that drove it out said it drives out nicely. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. 1964 Ford Country Sedan Wagon. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a fun 1964 Ford Country Squire station wagon, and it doesn't sound like your average family station wagon. It sounds like it wants to have fun. Our turn signal indicators are both working. This is an automatic on the column. I do love the exhaust sound of this car. Feels like a torque converter upgrade. It shifts very nicely, gets up to speed quickly. This is indeed a fun station wagon. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge showing almost 50 psi. The fuel gauge from the factory here is almost empty. Temperature third of the way up, those are all looking good. We're cruising along about 50 miles an hour on the speedometer, that's working. The blower motor works on this car, the wipers also work. We have air ride. You can drop this car, which makes it even cooler. Pioneer stereo in the dash.
Nobody really wants to call a plumber. Nobody really wants to meet an HVAC.
Picking up the commercials on FM very well. Clock equipped over here. When you say bring the whole family, you can definitely do it in the station wagon. You can bring stuff with you. You can go camping. You can do a road trip. Looking great in tinted windows. In a very period looking blue. Brakes feel good. That air ride actually helping keep it level in the corners. And again, up to speed quickly. This is a very fun station wagon, I gotta say. Looking good inside and out. Take a look at all the pictures of this car and all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.